Good morning class, welcome to today's lecture, and today according to a timetable we have English literature and we will be doing the third chapter of the third unit. The name of the chapter is God Bless My Meal. This is a prayer which is given in the form of poem in your book, which is written by Cynthia Fernandez, okay, in which a child who loves junk food and she knows that junk food that she eats is very bad for her health and it is not good for her health, okay, but then too she is not willing to give away eating junk food, and she asks God to help her, okay. And children, you all are very fond of eating junk food. Yes, you in place of eating healthy food you always want to eat junk food. Like some of the students, when you go to school, when you go to home from school, so what do? You first go to a junk food shop, you eat something, and then you go home. You also do this thing like when you go out with your friends, with your family, you eat junk food there also. At your homes also, you don't, if your mother will give you chapati, vegetable, dal, rice, you will not eat that. You will tell your mother to cook junk food, burgers, pizza, pastas, french fries, cold drinks. These all are very harmful, okay, and it will give you a bad health, okay. so let us the let us see what is being said here in the poem. Rhythm corner, reading skill. I ask you, Lord, to bless this meal and set upon it your loving seal. Listen to my prayer, God, please. Keep from me every disease. The child is requesting God. Lord means God. The child is requesting God to bless the meal that the child is eating and set upon it your loving seal. And the child is requesting God, the child is saying God to set the seal of love on the food, on the meal that he or she is eating, that he or she eats regularly, okay. Basically the child is talking about the junk food here, okay. The child is saying that please bless the junk food with your love. Listen to my prayer, God, please. Keep me away from every disease. The child is requesting God to listen to her prayer and keep her away from every disease, from the disease that that comes, the disease that develops, the disease that you get by eating junk food. The child is saying God to keep her away from all those disease which you get by eating junk food. Keep from me every fear, every fright. May I never lose my healthy appetite. Okay, the child is saying that the child is requesting God to keep her away from every fear. Okay, the fear that she is having, the fear of eating junk food. You know, she also knows that junk food is not good for her, is not healthy for her. She knows that. Okay, that is why she is saying that she is requesting God to keep her from every fear and every fright, okay. And she is saying that she is wishing that she should never lose her healthy appetite, okay. Her healthy, um, in Hindi it is called pachan shakti, okay. She should not lose that. Give your blessings to this delightful fizzy drink. Give your blessings to this delightful fizzy drink. Fizzy drinks means cold drinks. You all are very interested to drink cold drinks. You all are very fond of cold drinks. When you go to a party, you drink cold drink. At your homes, you drink cold drink. At outside to a shop, you drink cold drink. Okay, so the child here, she's saying to that cold drink also, to that cold drink only. Give your blessings to this delightful fizzy drink. Give your blessings to the cold drinks. Eating without a sip of it, I can't even think, okay. So she says that I give the blessings to the cold drink because I cannot live without eating cold drink, sorry, I cannot live without drinking cold drink. Bless the golden fries and this yummy burger. She's also saying that bless the golden french fries that you have, the fried, deep fried in oil, so harmful, so junk food, very harmful junk food is this. bless. And nowadays you go to different shops. Burger King is there, Pizza Hut is there, McDonald's is there. What they will serve you? They will serve you very tasty French fries with mayonnaise, cheese French fries, aloo French fries. They will serve you, and you will eat because it tastes good on your taste bud, but it is very harmful for your health. Okay, so the child is saying that eating bless the golden fries and this yummy burger. The child is saying the child is telling God to bless the golden fries, to bless the French fries and the burger also, that seems very yummy to her, that tastes very yummy to her. I thank Mr. Junk for satisfying my hunger. Here she tells that her hunger is only satisfied when she eats junk food. So she thanks junk. Mr. Junk means, so she thanks the junk food that it is satisfying her hunger. May the ice cream, pudding, and peas be not seen by Mum's glaring eyes. So the ice cream and puddings that she eats, she is wishing that mother should not see her eating these all things, otherwise she will get scared. All the parents do. If they see you eating too much junk food, so they will definitely scold you, because they don't want bad for you. They always want something good for you. Okay? So here the child is saying that the ice cream and pudding that she eats, may her mother not know, may her mother not see that she eats all these junk food. God, keep me away, keep me far from diabetes, also from carrots and boring peas. The child is saying that she knows that she eats a lot, she eats lot of junk food, and she's saying that she's saying God to keep her away from diabetes. Okay, also from the carrots and boring peas. She's saying that with the disease also, keep me away from the carrots also, and those boring peas also, peas that mutter in Hindi it is called. Keep me away from carrots also, keep me away from peas also. Okay, and when at home I bite that apple red, may it not be with artificial color fed. Okay, she's saying that at home when she eats that red apple is of red color only. When she eats that red, so that apple should not be of artificial color. So the apple that she is eating, that should not be of artificial color. Okay, may all the veggies be chemical free, as if just plucked from a healthy tree. So all the vegetables that she is eating, she is wishing that it should be chemical free. It should not have been grown from the chemicals. Okay, nowadays many vegetables are grown from chemicals in order to make business. Okay, in order to make that food grow fast, it is the vegetables are grown through chemicals. That is why sometimes what do you find? You find green peas here in summers also, but that is very harmful for you. You should not eat green peas in summer, because it is a vegetable of winter season, and it is always preferred that, or we should eat the winter vegetables only. The no, sorry, winter vegetables only. We should eat season vegetables only. Okay, because that is grown nicely. May all the veggies be chemical free. So that is what being talked here, that all the vegetables that she's eating, it should be chemical free, as if just plucked from a healthy tree. Okay, same thing. May all that I eat make me strong, so that I can cycle and play for long. So she's saying that all the thing that she eats, it should be so healthy and so strong that she can play for long, and she can cycle also for, it means that she can enjoy for long, she can work for long. Okay, campaigns against junk are at their peak. I promise to eat this stuff only twice a week. She's saying that the advertisement of junk food comes very much on TV also, on the big banners also in the city. Like Burger King ad, you will find very much a lot of Burger King ad, you will find a lot of McDonald's ad, you will find Domino's ad, you will find. Okay, so campaigns against junk are at their peak. Okay, so why camping here she's using because she's seeing all those campings and she's getting attracted to eat that junk food. You get attracted to campings. Okay, so she gets attracted from those junk food. Okay. um and here one more thing is here, camping against the junk food are at their peak. So against the peak, also against the junk food also, various campings have been launched that we should not eat junk food. Camping against junk food are at its peak. Against means in not in favor. Okay, camping not in favor of the junk food are at peak, are growing so much. And with this she has thought that she's promising that she's promising that she will eat the junk food only 2 times a week. Okay, she will be eating that junk food. She's promising that she'll be eating that junk food only twice a week, 2 times a week. So this is all about the poem. I hope you like the poem. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the live class. Thank you, children.